So let us start with the sum. In this sum, we know that in triangle PQR, G is the centroid and PT is the median. So based on this, last year we have studied something about the centroid. Let us first understand this. Centroid divides the median in the ratio. Centroid divides. This we have studied in 8th standard. Centroid divides the median. Centroid divides the median in ratio 2:1. In ratio 2:1. 2:1. That means what? In ratio 2:1 का मतलब क्या है? कि suppose in triangle ABC, let us take another example. Okay, if we take D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, D is the midpoint of BC, and if we join this segment AD, तो ये क्या हो गया? AD क्या हो गया? AD is the median then, right? AD is the median. Median means what? Segment joining the midpoint of a side and its opposite vertex. Okay. Now, median may we get a point. Now, what is this point? This is the point of intersection of all the medians. If we draw median from point B, if we draw median point from the C, then तीनों median एक point में आके मिलेगा जिसको हम centroid बोलते हैं. अब ये जो centroid है, this divide segment AD, median AD को वो 2:1 के पार्ट में डिवाइड करेगा. 2:1. 2:1 मतलब vertex से लेके centroid तक का जो पार्ट है. Again I repeat, see this is called as vertex and this is called as the midpoint. तो vertex से लेके centroid तक का जो पार्ट है that is 2 और centroid से लेके midpoint तक का पार्ट है that is 1. 2:1 का मतलब क्या होता है? 2:1 का मतलब होता है किसी भी लाइन को अगर हम 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, ओके, और अगर मैं इसको बोल दूं कि ये फर्स्ट इक्वल पार्ट है, ये नेक्स्ट इक्वल पार्ट है, ये फर्स्ट इक्वल पार्ट है, तो ये जो पॉइंट है ना, इसको बोला गया है सेंट्रॉइड. तो अब सेंट्रॉइड की ये साइड, लेफ्ट साइड, हाउ मेनी इक्वल पार्ट्स वी हैव? Centroid के left side, how many equal parts we have? We have 2 equal parts. Right side, how many equal parts we have? 1 equal part. Hence the ratio become what? 2:1. Understood? So that means we can say that this part, if I name it as E, so we can say that AE is 2 part out of how many part? टोटल हमने कितना पार्ट किया है सेगमेंट का? 1 2 3 3 पार्ट किया है. तो इस 2/3 into it is 2 part out of how many equal parts? 3 equal parts of the full segment AD. So this is the way we are going to find the answer. AE is equal to 2/3 2/3. अब ये 3 कैसा मिला? हमने रेशियो को ऐड किया, 2 + 1 3. Understood? Then similarly ED, how to find ED? ED is how many part? 1 part, 1. So ED is equal to, we will write 1 out of, we'll add the ratio 2 + 1, we'll write 3, 1/3, 1/3 into AD, the whole segment. So like this we are going to find our final answer. So our first step will be G is the centroid, PT is the median and G is the centroid. And this is a standard thing. Centroid will always divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So our first step, PT is the median. PT is the median. PT is the median. Our second step, G is the centroid. G is the centroid. Even though we already wrote this, we have to write it again in the solution. In bracket, we'll write the reason given. Since centroid divides, we have to write the statement. Since centroid divides median, in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. Therefore, we'll write the first part, that is what students? The first part, vertex से लेके centroid तक, that is PG. लेकिन PG है ना, PG, PG क्या होगा? PG will be, wait, अभी मत लिखो. PG will be what? PG is 2 part. I will write here, will write in the figure 2:1. So this is 2 part, this is a 1 part. So PG is what? That is 2 part. Out of what? Add karo ratio. So 2/3 into PT. In this, do you know the value of PG? No. Do you know the value of PT? No. तो कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है, तो हम आगे क्या करेंगे हम लोग, है ना? इसके लिए हम पीजी से स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे, हम उससे स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसका आंसर हमको मालूम है. हमको किसका आंसर मालूम है? हमको जीटी का आंसर मालूम है 2.5. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीटी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर जीटी इज इक्वल टू 1 part, will add the ratio 1/3, 1/3 of the whole median, that is PT. Let us solve this. GT is 2.5, which is equal to 1/3 into PT. 3 इधर divide हो रहा है, उधर गया तो multiply होगा. So we are going to shift 3 towards the left hand side. Therefore, we get PT is equal to 7.5 units. Our first final answer, put it in the box. Next, PG. PG is equal to 2/3 into PT. Now we know what is PT, right? So PG is equal to 2/3 into 7.5. So 3 ones are 3 2.5s are. So therefore PG is equals to 2 into 2.5 is 5. 5 units. Our next final answer. Hence we got the value of PG and PT.